Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Next, we have a short interview about Ideal School. So here there are several questions about it, and please answer carefully. Number one, please tell about yourself.
Okay, so my name is Amr Ibrahim, or my friend call me Amar. I'm born in Bekasi in 23 January 2009, and I'm a student in Ideal School.
Okay. Next, do you ever become trainer or teacher, and where is it?
Yes, I'm become trainer in two schools. The first is Al Ansar, the second is Krishna. In Al Ansar, I get chosen by Mr. Sadiq to teach in there. In Al Ansar, I'm teaching about Scratch, like making game in Scratch. In Al Ansar, I teach, I think, 8th grade. And in Krishna, I teaching about design, like design Canva and Figma. I make animation in Canva, and I make poster design in Figma. And in Krishna, I teach the two class. Before Zuhur, I teach junior high school, and after Zuhur, I teach senior high school.
Okay. Next, how much money do you get from that project?
Maybe around 50. In Al Ansar, when I teach, I get maybe 10,000, and in Gesna, I get 20. And in Al Ansar, I already teach maybe 3 or 4 times, and in Gesna, maybe 2 or 3 times.
Okay. Next question. What is your opinion about Ideal School?
The boarding school is a good school. Many people want to join here because the IT is good. Like my brother want to be here later, maybe when I grade 11 grade, he want to here. My mom said there is no school like IDN. Have like 3 materials, like only IT, Dinya, and English, and the last is Tafis. Gini. And for the what? For like expo is good. Like there are many expo like basketball, and then badminton, futsal, and swimming, and last is horsing. What can I? Can I tell what target in IDN?
Okay.
Okay, so the target in IDN in junior high school, I'm telling about Tafid first. In Tafid, we must to memorizing to choose in Al Quran from 30 until 29, at the minimal we must memorize in IDN. And and for IT in 7th grade, our target is in semester 1 our target is about Scratch, and the second semester toolbox, and then in 8th grade in first semester we learn our target is about Figma and Microbit, and the second semester about KBID and Spline. Spline is like making design 3D. And in 9th grade, in semester 1, we make about application with Android Studio and Codular. In this project, same from 7 until 9, our project in semester 1 is making like video work companion. The second is about IT tutorial. The third sometimes podcast. And the last is what about interview that I get English in IDN. And then for the last is Dinya from 7 until 9 is like same. Vicky target we must to make mind mapping, and Sirah we must to make video about companion, and the third Hadis we make poster, and Arabic we make video about conversation in Arabic, and the last is Akidah we make poster.
Okay, next question. What is the most interesting experience during learning at IDN school?
Experience in here. Maybe my experience in here, like we go to we rela in Mission Impossible, the third LDKS, the full name is Leadership Camp, and then once again I forget. When I'm 7th grade, I rela to Mundane, and in 8th grade, I rela go to beach, go to island, and Mission Impossible, I do it when I 7th grade. Mission Impossible, like we selling about many items like water, tissue, masker, maybe pen, or something like Pocari or Floridina that we selling more higher price like normal, not like normal. Maybe, for example, Aqua in normal price is 5,000. 5,000 rupiah, and we selling that maybe around 15,000 rupiah. And for the leadership camp, we leadership camp in here because when we 7th grade we cannot go to outside again because there is still corona.
Okay, and next, any word for IDN school?
IDN is good school, like my mom said. The target is not many. I hope again become more good than now.
Okay, thank you so much for your interview, and let's close our class. Say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now I will explain my project from Surundet to Nangdet. Okay, so we go to the next slide. Next is my project, and then now I will explain my project in Surundet. Okay, my favorite project in certificate is first is Scratch. Is the name of this game is Bombercat. So I make this in Scratch. If you want to play my game, I already put my game in my Scratch.my.edu. I already put my game in there. And I making this game in semester 1 in 7th grade. The name is Bombercat. Okay, so the next in semester 2 in 7th grade, I learned about Buildbox and this is for my Docker project. The name is Shooting Ball. So in this game you must to control with your row or A or D for shooting the ball to the finish. Or to finish in there. In there. And if you want to watch my demonstration, I already put in my YouTube. Okay, so the third Microsoft project in 7th grade is website. Of course, website, because website is very important in IDEA, because we must to put our all project in this website. If you want to put your project in SQL, you must put your project first in website. You upload to your personal website. Like that, and you can see in my website there is home, profile, project, video, gallery, achievement, contact, portfolio. This is my name, and this like quotes, put the quotes, and in app there are my Facebook, my TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and in the right side there are my email, YouTube, and my Instagram. I make this personal website in WordPress. Okay, so now we go to my project in 8th grade. My project in 8th grade only in multimedia. This first my project. I'm making photo manipulation in Photopea. As you can see, here I put like a person in like what genre. I'm making this maybe 2 or 3 hours. I make this when I'm in semester 2 maybe, or this is I forgot. This is my photo manipulation. You can see in my website. And then the next is same multimedia. I'm making UI UX 3D in Tinkercad. I make this like Vivo Tower in Tinkercad, and for the design I make in Figma. So I make this in two platform. The first is Tinkercad for making this tower Vivo, and the second is Tinkercad. I make this in Figma. Okay. So the next is about my video profile idea. I make this in idea about idea. We in this video, me, Raja, Saka, and Ardi explain about IDN, like what is IDN, like that. And you can see in my YouTube channel. This is the last multimedia project in semester 2, and I'm editing video in CapCut maybe. Okay. So the last is 7th grade project, and 9th grade project. Okay. The first is about radio online app. In this app, I make this in Modular. The function of this app, you can hear like radio online from this application. Like you can see now here. This is the poster, and this what the name of the radio that I link of radio stream, and you can scan here for see my project. I make this in semester 1 in Minecraft. What can I? In this application, there are 3 buttons. The first is play, pause, and stop. Okay. The next is find my Edge app. I make this application same like radio online in Modular. In this application, will calculate your age. Now you can input your maybe year of birth, maybe your year of birthday is 2009. And then if you calculate the age, your age now is in 13 or 14 years old. Okay, just example. Yeah, this is my application. If you want to try, you can scan in here. I already put my video demonstration this application in my YouTube, and also you can see my poster in my website. So like that. Okay, so this is the last project in Modular. The name is calculation app. This application is very hard when I make, because in the application many bugs that I found. In the application we can calculate in this application there are calculator, square, rectangle, triangle, rhombus, parallelogram, circle, and radius. So this application you can calculate like a number in calculator, and then you can calculate square, like shape, like that. I don't know about mathematics, because yeah, like that. And then if you want to try my application, you can scan here in my poster, and I already demonstration this application in my YouTube. You can check on my YouTube, and then you can found the poster in my website. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have some mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah. Nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa man yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Amma ba'du. Okay. So now I'm going explain about China country. This is one of part of in my video. This last part. Okay. That's how that is China's language or in English is hello everyone. Okay. So next slide, I will explain about the basic fact. Okay. China has a total area approximately 9,500,000 square kilometers, making it fourth largest country in the world by land area. Second, China is the biggest population of any country in the world. China is the second biggest population in the world. The first is India, and second is China. And that fact, China has the world's biggest temperature difference between the northern and the south. Borders from the desert in the northwest and tropical is in the southwest and southeast. China, and the last basic fact, China's longevity and resilience are unparalleled among nations with over 4,000 years of recorded history. So next slide is about the dynasties of this country. There are many dynasties in this country or China. So the first dynasty is Xia dynasty from 2100 until 1600 BCE, and then continue to the Shang dynasty and Shang dynasty until 1050 BCE, and then continue again to Zhou dynasty until 256 BCE, and continue again in the Qin dynasty from 221 until 200 BCE, and then continue again to the Han dynasty, and then continue again in 6 dynasties period, and then continue again in Sui dynasty, and then continue until Tang dynasty, and then the next dynasty is the 5 dynasties period, and continue again in 960 until 1027 Song dynasty, and then continue again to Yuan dynasty until 1368, and then next again to Ming dynasty, and then continue again in Qing dynasty, and then the next is Republic from 1912 until 1949, and continue again to People's Republic of China from 1949 until now. That's the dynasty of China. Okay, so now I will explain the good spots for traveler. The first is history of scenic spots. The first is the Forbidden City. The Forbidden City, also known as the Imperial Place, is located in the heart of Beijing and is a must-see for any traveler to China. And then the second is Great Wall. Great Wall is the largest wall in the world. And then Great Wall is a group of defensive structures built along the northern borders of ancient China states and Imperial China. And the third is the Summer Palace. The Summer Palace is built in Qing Dynasty. Okay. So the next is natural scenic spots. The first is Yangtze River. Yangtze River is the long river in China, and then the third largest river in world. The first largest river is Amazon River, and the second is Nile River, and the third is Yangtze River. So the next is West Lake. The West Lake is a beautiful place for people who like design and painters like that. And the last is Zhangjiajie National Park. Zhangjiajie National Park is a good area in the central eastern part of China. This area beautiful with the rock formation. Okay, the next is the food, the dishes of this country. Okay, the first food is Peking roasted duck. It's from duck or maybe chicken with traditional duck. And then the second is Chinese hot pot. Chinese hot pot is from raw meat, fish, vegetable, or tofu. And the third is dim sum. Dim sum is a national Chinese dish from dumplings, and this food is often served with tea. So the next is Gongbao Jiding. Gongbao Jiding is from the Qing Dynasty, and Gongbao Jiding the name is got from some person in China. The name is Ding Baozhen. So the next is Baozi. Baozi, in Indonesia we call it like bakpao. And then the last is chow mein. Chow mein is egg noodle and vegetable that has been stir fried, are the foundation of this classic Chinese cuisine. Okay, so this the best study in China. The first is Tsinghua University. The second is Fudan University. And the last is Shanghai Jiaotong University. Tsinghua is Tsinghua the first in China, and Fudan second. Fudan University is in Shanghai, and the Shanghai Jiaotong University is the third, and this college is in Shanghai too, like Fudan. Okay, this is the famous people. The first is Mao Zedong, the second is Li Xizeng, and third is Zheng He. Okay. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have some mistakes. Thank you. Jelas I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.